All right, let's look at question 22. It says two consecutive odd integers are such that the sum of 5 times the smaller and 3 times the bigger is 222. Find the value of the smaller integer. So since they follow after each other and they are odd, for example, consecutive number 1 and 3, there are two odd integers and they follow after each other. So if I want to say, I'll say let the integers or the numbers be x, and the second one, because they are odd integers, the second one will be x plus 2. Look at here, assuming this one is x. If I want to get 3, I will say 1 plus 2. So x plus 2. Now, having identified the numbers, we are told that 5 times the smaller, that's 5 times x. 5 times the smaller will be 5x. And 3 times the bigger, look at the bigger one. 3 times the bigger one, that was 3 into bracket x plus 2, is equals to this. That's the sum, that's add, is equals to 222. Now it says find the value of the smaller integer. We have set up our equation. So let's expand the bracket. So this becomes 5x plus 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 2, that's 6, is equals to 222. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8x is equals to, subtract 6 from both sides, that's 222 minus 6. 8x is equals to 216. Divide both sides by 8. 8 will cancel here. 8 here 1, 8 here 2. Remainder 5. Okay, that's 27. This is 56. 27. That's option C.